Today we're going to be looking at how to import the UK coordinate system on Surpad, say if we've lost it in a previous job and we need to get it back. So if you press the project tab at the bottom, and then you can see project manager at the top, I'm going to create a new project and I call it coord test. Underneath project name is coordinate systems parameter type. So you want this to be parameters of last project. Click OK, and then you should get WGS84 OSTN15 at the top. You'll have your ellipsoid and projection parameters done, and then the plane grid file and geoid file will also be used. If you don't have this, say you've created a new job, I'm going to call it coord test again, and you've accidentally or you've just gone to local parameters and click OK. No, change the name on that. And it's gone to default. What you can do here is if you just tap at the bottom, use existing, predefine projections, and then at the top you've got country. If you just scroll all the way to the bottom, you'll find United Kingdom. And then at the bottom of that list, you've got your WGS84 OSTN15. That's the one you want to use. Highlight that and click OK. So your ellipsoid and your projections are now being used. You also want to find your plane grid file, so just click plane grid, click use, path, and then in the geoid folder of Surpad you should have your grid file there, OSTN15. Click OK, click OK. Same again for the geoid file, use, path, OSGM15, click OK, click OK. And then now your coordinate system is set, so you can click OK on that. You can check in the project, yep, WGS84, and then every time you create a new project, so if you go to project manager, new, test 10, leave parameters of last project in there, click OK, check that it's come through, and OK again.